To finish up our base building, let's create a doorknob for the door here. I'm just going to go to a brand new layer again, and this time I will create a UV sphere. And once again, I don't need 32 segments on this, so I'll just take this down to 12. And for the rings, we could probably use 8. Now this doorknob is going to be pretty small in the scene, so it doesn't need to be real detailed. But I think the way I'd like to start is just to, let me zoom in with the period key on the numpad, and I'll go into edit mode. And with that C key again, that circle select tool, just delete these and delete faces. And I'll just extrude a little stem out of the back of this cylinder. Let me scale it just a bit so it's a little flatter. And then I'll go into edit mode and just extrude this straight out. So I'll hit the E key and click, go to the move tool and drag straight out. Now for the plate that will go right up against the door, I'll just create another cylinder. And once again, I don't need 32 faces around the sides there. And for this, I'll just scale it so it's a little flatter, like so. And also scale it out so it's kind of an oval, like this. Now, I won't need the back side of this. I'll go ahead and tab into edit mode, select this face right back here, and delete it with the X key and faces. And now for this particular one, I didn't choose triangle fan, but what I can do now is I can hit E for extrude and then S and scale this in some. And what I'd like is just an inset here, so I'll hit E again and push in just a bit. I'd like a triangle fan in here, even though I didn't set it up to begin with. So what I'm going to do is just delete this face, select these edges here, and go ahead and hit E for extrude and then scale these in, and E and scale one more time. And then I'll just press Alt-M and merge at center, and that will collapse those down into a single point. All right, so I've got that. Let me place this down in it. So that will be our doorknob. To put it in place, I'm going to need to combine these two into one object. And to do that, we just select one, shift select the other, and then I'm going to press Control J, and that will join those two objects into one. I'll press Shift and click these other layers here, and now let's put this into place. And I think I'll just put this on the left side of the door here. I don't know why, but that just feels right to me. All right, so there is the base building that we're going to build all the others off of. So in the next video, we'll begin working on the other pipes and accessories in the scene.